That's how you start the video off, man. We about to get it right now, man. I gotta redo this video, man, because yesterday video wasn't up to our quality, man. And yesterday I just wanted to get the video out to you guys. But yeah, man, just enjoy the ride. I hope you guys enjoy the ride this time, and I hope you guys can see it's not that sunny out either. So, yep, let's get it. Look at this scatty. That is hard. That scat hard. That is hard. That scat hard. See what y'all see when y'all on the road with me? The rain picking up a little bit, so I'm gonna put it in sport with the sport traction, but I'm gonna keep it in street. The transmission in street, everything else in sport. It's a good setting when it's raining or something. I'm gonna see if I can still get up on it a little bit, but it's gonna take a little while because we got this traffic right here. I hate driving in the daytime, man. Traffic is always out here. Yeah, let me shut up. This is the worst thing for having a 392, bro. I swear this is the worst part about having it sometimes. Cause stuff like this, you still wasting gas, but you're not doing nothing. Like, it's just annoying, man. Gotta be easy on it. If it's raining, you gotta be easy on it. Do not rev it fast when it's raining, you know. You're gonna spin out. So you gotta be careful with when you're pushing on the gas, because this car has a lot of power, and the rain, like, I don't know, the rain adds another element to it. So I would say, oh, that's a sweet Camaro. Nice color. I ain't never seen that color before. Probably a girl in there, but I never seen that color before. And this is the ooh, that color is, oh man, that color is fire. I wish y'all could see that as good as I did. But yeah, like I was saying, you can't really, don't step on the gas hard. You can let it slowly build up, and then like you'll see that you can do a little bit, you know. But I'm not about to be out here doing 150, you know, 130 like this. But yeah, you get it. Give it a little gas soon though. Ease into it. Yeah, I'm just gonna wrap it up here. Thanks for watching this video. Sorry for so much traffic, but you did get a visual of how it drives in the rain. Like I said, that setting is transmission in street, everything else in sport. That's like my favorite setting when I'm driving in the rain or any other different weathers, you know, because that sport gives it that traction. So if you were ever wondering how it does in the rain, this is how it does in the rain. Thank you for watching.